Well, here we are in central Missouri. It's snowing like they promised. It's cold as anything. You can hear the snow. It's good. Yeah, it's my motion light. It keeps going on and off. Or not on and off, but up and down. Just thought I'd let you know. If you stocked up on food, groceries, propane, whatever you need to get you through these few days, it's just a day. This dog loves it. There she, look at her. She thinks this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Well, y'all, hope you're being cool. Wild Hog saying like, share, subscribe.